Do you have an old Windows laptop sitting around? What if I told you that you could probably run macOS on it right now? And if you're someone like me who has a ThinkPad, specifically the ThinkPad T490S, and you'd much rather not run Windows 11 on an old crappy laptop and still have the same feel of a Mac, then I highly recommend. So as I said before, I currently have a ThinkPad T490S. Before, I was running Linux on it, specifically Fedora, and I got it around a year ago for around $190. And first thing first, I was just like, I'll just get rid of Windows and use Linux. And it was great for a year, but I just wanted to try something else, and I was just like, why not try installing Mac OS on it? But yeah, it was a really interesting experience. I won't go through the exact details, but I'll link video tutorials on how you can go about doing it. It's fairly straightforward. Basically, you're gonna run this open source software that will determine the validity of running macOS on your laptop. And if your laptop is compatible with macOS, then it'll basically tell you which version is most suitable for your laptop. So for example, my laptop, the ThinkPad T490S, with 16 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage, was capable of running macOS Tahoe 26. And yours probably might be able to run the same, maybe Sonoma, whichever one it may be. But in terms of feel, it's been really nice. So obviously you get iMessage, just basically everything Mac, except for AirPlay and a few other specific things. But yeah, it's very cool. So if you have people who are, maybe a little bit older, not the most techie people, or maybe you just want to bring an old laptop back to life while still having like a Mac feel, then this is definitely the path I highly recommend. I won't debate which is better, Linux or Mac OS. This is not that video, okay? And by the way, I did not get rid of Fedora because I like Mac OS more. And Fedora is nice and chill, but I've been a Mac user probably for like the last, I don't even know how many years of my life, probably since I was like 5 years old. But yeah, so if you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.